How can an organization assess its sustainability practices? There are a few methods for assessing sustainability, including Maturity Assessment, Materiality Assessment, and benchmarking. Different maturity models offer their own approaches to assessment and certification. ITIL for Sustainability in Digital and IT introduces the ITIL maturity model as an example of best practices. It also covers the DEFRA Digital Sustainability maturity model as a practical example. Materiality assessment are also covered in details by the book. A materiality assessment helps to define sustainability vision and develop sustainability strategies. By sharing our failures and successes, we help each other find the best way to improve. Because of this, an organization can use the benchmarking method to understand its current positioning and identify sustainability gaps in its performance. When assessing an organization's sustainability, consider external and internal audits, as well as other forms of assessment that will fit your purpose. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you are interested in free ITIL resources, click the link below in the description. Follow Good e-learning on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for regular ITIL resources such as posters, articles, videos, and study guides.